Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Aisha, Education Wali from Rehan AI Teachers Institute, and I'm the participant of Level 1 student. Let's have a TED Talks today. The topic of our TEDx is Study Smarter, Not Harder. For this TEDx, I have to give the review. If we are going to review, I have to give the introduction of the speaker. This TEDx Smarter Not Harder is by Kiki Fan. She is a speaker who focuses on effective learning and study techniques. In her TEDx talk, she addresses students and anyone who has to learn and shares how you can study less but more effectively, that is, study smarter, not just harder. Her style is approachable. She recognizes the common feelings of dreads or overwhelm when facing homework or studying, and she offers practical suggestions rather than purely theoretical advice. Now I'm come to the review of Study Smarter Not Harder. The key thesis of this talk is, or we can say the central message of the talk is that studying for huge amounts of time isn't necessary the best route. Instead, setting up the right conditions, using smarter techniques, and being intentional about your study, environment, and habits can it yields better results and free up time for other things. The main techniques or outlined of the TEDx is she has roughly given the three main strategies. Number one is create the right conditions for study. Choose a proper workplace, a flat surface, chair, minimal distractions, getting physically ready improves focus. Secondly, spends a few minutes preparing your space and mind before diving in. For example, removing clutter, turning off irrelevant distractions. Thirdly, use ambient ambient sound or music, if helpful, or silence depending on your preference, to shut out distractions like siblings, cooking in another room, journal noises. Second, the key point, the main strategy is establish a route and time management. Recognize that we all have limits, time and energy, rather than erratic studying. Scheduling, focus, study, blocks helps. The idea is less but better, to study intelligently rather than just longer. She argues this leads to more confidence, less stressed studying. Third strategy is make the methods your own and engage deeply. Realizing that everyone is different, what works for one student may not for another. So experiment. Perhaps ambient music works for you. Maybe you prefer total silence. It depends on you. Focus on understanding concepts rather than rote memorization. If you set yourself upright and engage with your material smartly, you will retain more and stress less. It means that the concept understanding is more useful than rote memorization. It's useless. So it's better we focus on step understanding the concepts. Now, the what works well and strengthens. The talk is very particular rather than royal advice. Kiki gives tangible steps on one can take. Example, spend 5 minutes to set up your study space. Choose when you study, block distractions. It's inclusive, addresses students who hate studying or find it hard to focus, hereby engaging a broad audience. The focus on routine, environment, and personalized techniques is valuable. students often try to study harder, longer, or rather than smarter. This talk flips that mindset. And what limitations and things to consider? She said she gave the advice. While the advice is solid, some of the suggestions are general and may feel familiar. Workplace, time management. The talk may benefit from deeper or more novel cognitive science or learning theory banking. Through time constraints of yeah. Implementation, the suggestion will require discipline. A quiet workplace may not be easy for all students. Example, shared homes, noisy households. So context matters. Kiki does acknowledge distractions, but the talk may underestimate structural constraints some learners face. The talk doesn't deeply cover how to measure or track improvements from changing these habits. Through the implication is you will better and study less time. For an educator or serious learner, additional matrix habits might be needed. Overall, the review of this Study Smart Not Harder is a motivational and well-trimmed talk for students and lifelong learners alike. It shifts the paradigm from more hours, better learning to better hours, better conditions, better matters, better learning for everyone preparing for exams, balancing study with other life commitments, or simply wanting to reclaim some of their time without sacrificing performance. This talk offers a helpful framework. If I were giving a grade, I would say that for a short TEDx talk, it lands strongly, especially in inspiring mindset state. For deeper pedagogical or neuroscientific insight, you might want to follow it up with other material, but as a catalyst, it works very well. The talk or this TEDx, it has some highlights points which I want to give you review on it. Emphasis more Kiki acknowledge the emotion of studying grade overwhelmed which connect with your audience. Note how she addresses both internal condition focus time and external condition space distractions. You could link the talk's advice to practical action steps in your own context. What study space do I have to come? Can I design a 5 minute steps routine? Also mention how this talk is relevant not just for exam study but for any kind of learning or skill building because environment, routine, method apply broadly. And perhaps pose a critical question for your audience. I will give you a question. What obstacle do I face that Kiki's suggestion don't fully addresses? And how might I adapt them? So viewers, this is the review of the TEDx of Kiki fans. Today, I hope you like the TEDx review. See you next time. Have a nice time.